seahorse. What's it do? It's supposed to be the red stuff. This should be.
What? Can I help you? You go enjoy yourself. Hey, wait. I work for Trent at the chop shop. You notice you still don't have your own ride. Come by anytime if you want to buy a car.
Oh yeah? How much will that cost me?
Don't worry. I'll give you a good deal. Send on ye never pay full price.
Hello?
Huh?
HKPD 香港警察，老弟，講翻，唔好跑！好在就無謂嘅掙扎啦。You're surrounded. HKPD 打啊大佬！When your PC sounds like this and your internet connection is
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Shan. Your vehicles are all good to go. Give me a call if you need something.
Need a massage? We're one of the few properly licensed clinics in town.
I'll pay now.
Don't worry, I'll sort you out. Maybe take a hot bath when you get home. It'll help get rid of the toxins.
Feel 195 brake horsepower take you through the gears with gut-wrenching power. The 1100 NAR Superbike, winner of countless Grand Prix and voted this year's unbeatable machine. The 1100 NAR Superbike. Drive to believe. This is Real FM.
I learned the game, I know what I want and I'm in it. The time is now, it's gonna be up in the minute. Look the nigga in the eye, you telling me timid. These fake rappers getting by with these hella
我都話你搞錯咗喎！救命啊！
What are you doing here? I'm sure you and Pendrew have a lot of top-secret backdoor business to attend to.
Look, I'm sorry about how I acted in there. You know, just playing the part. I'm already out there on the streets. I hear things like this ketamine racket. I'll see what I can dig up. How's that for an olive branch?
Serious. Just like that.
Look, I'll help where I can. What?
I'm just a little shocked. I'm just used to Pendrew's people being more like him.
I just think we'd be better off helping each other. Come on, what do you say?
I could really use the help if you're willing to give it.
Well, all right.
We're following 276, 276. Possible contact.
Hey, this way. I need a car.
Sorry, I don't have any time.
Fish balls! I know you want fish balls!
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dogeyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dogeyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pull up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think of you, May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me. Oh, shit!
Put on his mask. Can't let Dogeyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running. Come and get me!
Get him! That's right! Tên người hầu vui! There's more of them! How you like that, huh? How you like that? Wait, you are hardcore. You beat your ass like it was nothing. Watch, you should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, they're taking off the goods. Go, 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 man. Whoa! Don't let him get away, man. Faster, man.
就像是生命被解开，就像是奇迹被等来，提示的声音一直都在，加油的声音一直都在。
It's our whole score driving away.
在忍耐，在
Oh shit! Yeah, hit him, man.
再坚持一段。
I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
再去试着去做，不要停下来。就这样生命被解开，就这样沉睡醒过来。
Hurry up, man! They're getting away.
一直盛开，春天的花呼声都在等待。有没有发现它出现？就是在想要放弃。
Ah! That's them! Get them! Get them! Get them!
发现它出现，总是在想要放弃，快失去之间。
Run them off the road!
都在你眼前，让你去选人们常说的奇迹，说来就来，只要再一次别停下来，有没有发现它出现？
Ram him! Take out his car!
总是在想要
Whoa!
之间。 它出现，总是在想要放
Don't let him get away, man!
弃之间。
Hit him!
再坚持一段，再忍耐，再一直试着去做，不要停下来。再坚持一段，
Faster, man!
再忍耐，再一直试着去做，不要停下来。有没有发现它出现？
Take him out!
它出现，它出现。
Ah! Run him off the road! We did it, man! We did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches. Wait! We got him!
我亲爱的朋友。
Damn, that was crazy, man. We did it. Holy shit. We did it. Check it out. It's Brady Cambria.
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What?
What do you mean cheap? Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive. Wait, drive. Where'd they come from? Whoa! Man, why can't they just leave us alone? Did you lose them?
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. Clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. These cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dogeyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole. Oh, God. But he has friends in high places.
He's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid of him.
Man, wait, you just got back. Get to know who's who before you start talking about bosses that way.
Listen, comes a time. So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. Take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. So Nola.
Alright, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here. Take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.
Hey! Hey!
This is Real FM.
The long-awaited Wangan GSX is here. Contemporary sports car styling, breathtaking performance and the fastest production sports coupe on the road. Featuring 6-speed automatic transmission and a revolutionary drive control. The Wangan GSX, a legend in the making.
Yo, bro, the coffee is awesome.
Just like the connection speed.
For the best coffee, snacks, and internet in town.
You don't get tastier or faster than Wired Rabbit.
Wired Rabbit.
Fastest internet.
Good clothes, cheap. They won't do better for the price. I like it. Anytime you want to do business, I'm here.
Long-awaited Wangan GSX is here. Contemporary sports car styling, breathtaking performance and the fastest production sports coupe on the road. Featuring 6-speed...
How's your connect? You getting everything you need?
No, man. I haven't been back to Popstar since I left Dogeyes. I'm not sure how he's gonna take it.
Want me to talk to him?
Yeah. I'm just about out. So grab my next shipment and make sure everything is cool.
Hey, is Popstar around?
What will a nice-looking boy like you want with me?
You Popstar?
Who's asking?
Look, I work for Winston. Dirty Ming's operating in our territory. I want to make sure he's supplied.
Sure, I'll fix him up. But
what?
I gotta get paid in advance. I'll make it easy for you. A couple of deadbeat junkies owe me money. Guys used to deal for me before they became their own best customer. Collect what they owe me, and I'll hook your man up.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the god of unpaid debts. Popstar prayed real hard this morning. Time for you fuckers to pay up.
喂，大佬冇啊！救命啊！救命啊！救命啊！ Who the fuck is this?
He's okay. One of Winston's guys.
Yeah? Guess son on you will take on anyone these days.
Who's that?
Feng Shen, best shit in Hong Kong. You got my money?
Got your money.
Here's your package. Tell Ming to stick with girls over 14 this time. It's the cops. Stay cool.
Hey, you two, come over here.
Let's go.
Stop, you're under arrest.
Give it up! Surrender!
Put your hands in the air and leave. Now.
Surrender!
Let's get in it. 係啊，已經被捕啦。
Inspector Tang?
What have you found?
Not enough to bust Popstar, but I also met a supplier, a guy named Fang Shen. Find out where he hangs out, and I'll see if I can get something on him.
I'll get back to you.
貨喺你度嘛 ？Got the stuff, right?
Don't worry, I got your stuff right here.
Now I can start making money again.
Looking for a good cut? That's a nice cut.
Okay.
I wrap it for you. Thank you.
影幅相係咁先。My man Wei, you done good. You restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see. You know anything about the minibus racket?
Well, same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, you pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dogeyes will. Right now it's his route, but you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
Dogeyes is son on ye. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Ganas is fine by me. I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass.
Who are you? Get out of here.
喂，我諗緊 how come we're going after Dogeyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K?
Dogeye came after us? This is payback. Plain and simple.
What if Dogeyes replaced the Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tong after us?
Look, dude. Dogeyes might work for Lee, but Winston answers direct to Uncle Paul. Nobody going.
Hey, you haven't paid. If you stop, we'll beat you.
This is our stop now.
Yeah, fuckers. Show them
Alright, you good with your fist. I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone, see? So now we know how to spot a rat.
Todd, you know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them, he buries them alive, 6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Hey, fuck you, Conroy.
I still think about that poor fucker sometimes.
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll do it. Watch how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
Wait, you better get them.
嚟啦，瞄準！
Hey, you want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid Dogeyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston? I don't know no Winston.
Pull over and I'll tell you about it.
You're wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you.
Get out of here, I'm taking your
I'm
passenger.
going.
Okay. 那你估發生咩事啊嗱？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change. Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知塞一塞我冇咗幾多錢啊？
This is 快活，你老味！哇！你做乜嘢啊
Hang on.
？Can't drive this way. Who the hell are these guys?
Mistaken identity, people. Don't panic.
drives like this?
Buddy, don't kill us, please!
Here we are, people.
This was probably the most exciting thing that happened all week. You're not driving the Sim Sang Shui route, are you? I saw your boyfriend in the alley again. Take it from me, you will never be happy.